1975 Ford Torino Elite here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Believed to be original mile car, 36,641 on it at the moment. 400 S-code V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic C6 transmission. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC car. Let's take a look at the chrome and the bright work up front. From the bumper to headlight surrounds, grille. Now, if you want to check out this car in still pictures, so you can see the underside, engine bay, interior, trunk. Still pictures can be seen on our website at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below this video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on American Racing polished 5-spoke torque thrust wheels. Cooper Cobra radials. Paint code 9D, so polar white. Does have the full vinyl top, which would have been code GW, so that is the full vinyl roof option on this car. Black interior, bench seat, column shift. You can see the panels are nice and straight. No major nicks, dings, dents, scratches that I have seen. Interior appears to be original and in very nice shape. We'll get around to the driver's side, check that out a little bit closer. Vinyl roof also, very nice shape. Want to point out that there is a little bit of custom paint on the sides of this. That is not cleared over. That would more than likely come off if you wanted it off of there. As far as with a rubber wheel, a little bit of solvent. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Definitely look at those underside pics, and you can see around the wheel wells, the lower rockers. This was a Southern car for the majority of its life. It will come with a car cover also. Put that back in the trunk. Take a look at the chrome and the bright work on the rear of the car, and you can see a little more of that custom paint. But again, that is not cleared over. You want to leave it, you can leave it. If you want it taken off, you shouldn't have a problem getting it off. UniqueClassicCars.com. Again, take your time looking through all those still pictures, especially the undersides, interior, engine bay. In the still pictures, you're going to see the buck tag, the door tag. This car does have a Ford 9-inch rear end. As far as some of the surface work that was done to it, it does have newer mufflers with a true dual exhaust, new valve cover gaskets, newer sway bar links, front shocks, pitman arm. Brakes are 90% or better at all four corners. You can see up and down this driver's side also really free of any major nicks, dings, scratches, dents. We don't see a lot of Torinos come through here. If you like Ford Torinos, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, though. You'll be able to see when we do get one in. Maybe just like 70s classics. You'll see a lot of those on our website. So again, subscribe to the YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Gives you an idea how that interior looks. Like I said, looks about like new. Appears that could be easily the original bench seat too. All right, that's what's believed to be original miles, 36,641. Top of the dash, you can tell this car was stored indoors. Very nice shape. Philco AM radio with a realistic FM conversion down below. Take a look at this. I thought this was pretty cool. Still has the safety precaution sticker on the door panel. Headliner good. Door closes nicely, and let's take a listen. Little rumble coming out of that 400. Now, we'll check out the engine bay real quick here too so you can see it and listen underneath the hood. Stick around to the very end, and we're going to take this car down the road, take you for a virtual ride if you will. If you want to see how it drives out, like I said, stick around to the very end of the video. All right, underside of the hood, hood liner. Here it is. When you're wondering about miles, take a look at how clean this engine bay is. Sticker still in the valve cover. AC compressor does kick on and off. I have had that kick on and off. Pretty stock looking engine bay, as you can see, and not a lot of oil, grime, road debris. That buck tag I mentioned earlier, you'll be able to see in the still pictures, as well as the door tag. Battery disconnect when it's in between drives or in storage. Definitely a smooth running, clean, tidy engine bay. Stick around a little longer and you'll see how this car goes down the road. 1975 Ford Torino Elite. Call us 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're taking a drive in a 1975 Ford Torino, and this is in really, really good condition. Started up on just a flick of the key, idled right away. Smooth running, good acceleration, and the interior is in really such a good condition that I would believe the miles on the odometer, which are quite low. Turn signal indicator is working. Smooth acceleration in this car. Speedometer appears to be working as it should. The temperature gauge is a quarter of the way up from cold. Fuel gauge is showing a little less than half of a tank. The blower motor works, the wipers work on this car. Radio is working. There's an FM adapter under the dash. This car really seems untouched in the interior, at least. Horn works as it should. Headliner looks amazing. Dash looks amazing. Nice feel on the road of this car. Good alignment. Stays nice and straight when you let go of the wheel. Factory exhaust sound for the most part, in my opinion. And the brakes, they feel great too. That luxurious cornering from the mid-70s. For a two-door, yes, this is a luxurious ride, but it gets up and goes as much as they all did in the 70s. Vinyl bench seat in this car, very comfortable, plenty of space, and automatic on the column, so it's easy for anybody to drive. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this car at UniqueClassicCars.com.